I just replaced this kitchen sink, and the previous drain to the new drain setup is off by about 1/2 of an inch. It's taken everything in my body, not just to grit my teeth and muscle it on there and call it a day, but we're not gonna do that. Instead, we're gonna do this. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to install your own P-trap. In about 5 minutes, you should have come away with confidence that you should be able to tackle this yourself and not call a plumber. So we're gonna go from the top-down approach and first start with installing the strainer on the kitchen sink.
But first we need to do a Home Depot run to get all the materials. This is PVC cement, some silicone for the strainer. Then I have a 6-inch extension tube for the sink, and then a heavy-duty P-trap. All this came into just under $50. Some items that weren't included was the P-trap adapter and the reducer. There was a 2-inch sink outlet that I needed to reduce down to 1.5 inches so that the new P-trap would fit. But adding those two items is like another $5, so it's not going to break the bank. Finishing off the strainer, I'm adding a bolt, and that what connects the top and bottom portion of the strainer. So you just want to get it hand tight. And as you tighten it up, it'll just kind of push out the silicone and it'll make a nice tight seal. Then you just go back with a paper towel and wipe it off. No big deal. Then taking my oscillating tool, I'm just cutting and removing the old P-trap. You can see some water's coming out of it. That's normal. Just put a dish underneath just to catch it and help the sink not get damaged from the water. This is the old tube extension, so I'm just hooking back up my dishwasher outlet and the reverse osmosis outlet. So that's pretty important, just making sure everything's nice and tight before I move on to the PVC drain. Using the PVC purple primer, you just want to kind of go a couple of laps around on both sides of the PVC pipe, and then you want to hit it with some of the cement, the clear cement, and then once you put it on, you just want to do a nice quarter turn to have it set up. You can see I kind of panicked there for a second because I was taking my sweet time and I almost lost it. If you put on this PVC with this glue and mess up in any way, you're going to have to remove the whole thing and start over. It is impossible to get off. That stuff is no joke. Now we can install the actual P-trap itself. So I'm just threading on the caps on either end and then hitting it with the gasket. Gasket goes on the P-trap adapter portion, and then the other side of that, the side that I'm taking a level on, doesn't need a gasket. The end of that tube's already flared out. So here I'm just lining everything up and just dry fitting it before I actually tighten everything down. So I add on the additional 6-inch tube extension, which I needed it because the original drain wasn't long enough. And then I'm just throwing that on there and then adding in the P-trap and just tightening everything down. Now, quick tip, when you go to tighten it down, you would think the tighter the better. That's not right. You want to tighten it up just enough and then maybe do another quarter turn and then leave it. You don't want to over tighten it. This stuff is plastic, so it will ruin those threads and cause leaks when you put water on it. Now, time for the moment of truth. I just threw on the sink and let that run for about 10 minutes and then just periodically be checking all the joints. Anywhere there's threaded caps, you just want to kind of run your finger through and make sure it's not leaking. And once it all checks out, you're good to go. You just installed a new P-trap on your kitchen sink.
And that's how you install a P-trap. Hopefully you feel confident enough after watching this video that you could tackle this yourself. It's very simple. If you're interested on how I replaced our kitchen sink, I'm gonna leave that video right here when it's available. And if you're interested in any other DIY projects, go check out the channel. But I'm out of here. Thanks for watching.